Checking if a PDF is accessible is a loaded question that does not have a simple answer. But checking if a PDF is not accessible is a much easier question to answer and does not require much training. Let's start with that. We will be using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC for this. The Mac and PC versions are identical. This is the only version Adobe supports, and some of these features do not exist in older versions. Foxit Phantom PDF Business 9 for PC has similar accessibility features. To check if a PDF is not accessible, we need to find the Accessibility Full Check button. If you don't see it in the Tools panel on the right, we need to add the accessibility shortcut first. To find it, type Full Check in the Search Tools input. Right-click the tiny word Accessibility, not Full Check. Then Add Shortcut. Click the X to close that out and get back to our panel. Now we have it in the panel on the right. Click the new Accessibility Tool shortcut. Click the Full Check button. This will bring up the Accessibility Checker Options dialog box. All the defaults are good. Click the Start Checking button. The results will show up in the left panel. Expand the carets. A red X indicates a problem, so this PDF has some problems. Missing title is the most likely thing that goes wrong. If that's the only thing wrong, it's easy to fix. Click File, Properties, and type in a title. Fun things to do in Wonderland. Click OK. Right-click Title in the left column and mark it as fixed. This document has more things wrong than just the title. Most importantly, tagged content failed. PDF tags are roughly analogous to HTML tags like headings and paragraphs. At worst, it's interpreted as just an image with no text. At best, it would just be random text. A page with no headings is just a bunch of text with no meaning. In the next video, I'll try to explain what tagging means and sort of what goes into fixing it. If you only procure PDFs from vendors, this is all you need to know to verify that a PDF is not accessible. It needs to be sent back to the vendor. It's usually easier to fix the original source document and export it from there so you don't have to fix it every time it's exported. However, even if the entire full check passes, that does not mean it is accessible. It just means it passed the automated checks. PDFs are made for humans. Verifying if a PDF is accessible takes a human to test human things, like the reading order.